Next job up is this half-pipe trailer that I painted just over a year ago in Scania metallic grey for Wagner. Now what's happened is it's took substantial damage to the front end and we've had to have some new pieces welded in. So what we're going to have to do with this, being base coat and lacquer, we're going to have to pay close attention to where they've had to grind the paint down to apply the new welds, just because when we repaint it, we don't want to be seeing all these sharp edges come back through the paint. And also, while we've got the trailer back, we're going to tidy these arms up on the front where the lights and the side lights are attached, and then also the arms that attach the side rails to the trailer where the product's been falling off the edge of the trailer and it's made these go rusty. We'll also tidy these up as well. And then the same on the rear end where the product's been coming out of the rear of the trailer. I'm also going to repaint this up for them as well, just so when it goes back, it's looking lovely and tidy. And we'll also put any bits on like some red reflective tape along the bottom, just to tidy it up for him. But yeah, the first thing we'll start doing is we'll start prepping the front end down. And yeah, let's make a move. So all the lines where they've had to grind out for the welds are all nicely smoothed out now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix up some fine filler, and we're just going to spread some nice fine filler down into these edges. Same again on this side, and then just as we feather them back again with a 320 grit, it will leave it lovely and smooth, and then we can prime it, base it, and get it all lacquered up nicely. So yeah, we'll get this mixed up and we'll start doing the next piece.
To the other side, and from there we can fly into the 80s, Brooklyn to LA. Our hands in the air, our hands in the air. There's a record spinning in my mind with scratches on the pieces.
So that's all the fine filler now applied in all the sections where the paint had been ground off to weld the aluminium sections on. And just what we're going to do while I wait for it to dry is I'm just going to get to prepping down this side of the trailer at the front, and then just along these two bars at the top as well, just to make good use of time. So yeah, let's crack on with that, and then after we'll get to sanding down the fine filler. So all the panels are nicely prepped down now. Now I'm going to turn my attention back over to the fine filler. Going to get all this smoothed off. And then yeah, this is the last piece of prep on the front before we can start cleaning it down, and we'll start prepping the other panels, like the arms on the side of the trailer and just a bit of the rear frame around the back. So yeah, let's carry on, get this stopper rubbed off, and then we'll move on. So everything's prepped up now. Both sides are lovely and smooth. It's time to start masking her out. So what we'll do is we'll paper the ram like we always do. And then what I'm thinking, my idea for the sides is I'm gonna get a 4-foot bag in and just throw it from the bottom up and over the trailer, and then we'll just tape it down both sides and open it out as far as we can down the sides, which then should in turn just protect the sides then from the overspray. And then just the box, we'll paper that out as well, and then just backmask off the bottom edge to seal that as well. We'll whip this ladder off while we're at it. Alright, so she's all ready to start painting. First thing we're going to do is get a blower in the airline, blow any loose dust off the panels. Then we'll go around with the degreaser, wipe it down, make sure there's no oils and solvents on the panel. Then we'll give it a tack cloth off twice over. Then we'll come in with some etch primer and prime up all the bare aluminium. And then we'll mix up the 350 seconds primer and just prime up where we've done the repairs. Then we'll let that dry, we'll prime the full front end, and then we'll come back in when it's dry once again, get the whole front end in the base coat, Scania metallic grey, and then once that's dry, we'll recoat it twice over with lacquer. So yeah, let's start the process and let's get ready to put some paint on. So it's time to start mixing the primer up now. We're going with the trusty, what we always use, the Sickens 350 filler primer. And that's just mixed up on the 23 stick 512. So we'll put a coat down the repairs, let that dry off, a coat over the whole of the front end. And then after that, we'll wait for it to dry, and then we'll mix the Scania metallic grey up and we'll get that on. So yeah, let's get some primer on. Right then, so it's time for the Scania metallic grey base coat to go on. It's an absolute stunning colour. This is already mixed and left over from the last time I actually painted that trailer. So what we'll do with this is we'll filter it straight into the gun. We're going to go in, we'll put a 100% full coat on, then a 60% coat once it's dry, and then once the 60% coat's fully dried off, we'll put a nice even drop coat over it as well, just to level the metallics out. And then once that's dry again, we'll recoat it twice over with a lacquer. So yeah, let's get this in the gun and let's get it on the front of the trailer. Now, as I'm putting the first layer of base coat down, you'll notice that when I actually came to spray it, it was a little bit thinner than what I thought it was going to be. So it actually started to drag very, very slightly. But it's not to worry, as long as it's not actually running. When you go over it then, as you'll see with the second coat of base coat, it covers it over, and then the final coat, the drop coat, will just even it all out nice and smoothly. So yeah, nothing to worry about. You just have to be careful with base coat sometimes. The base coat's on, it's looking lovely and smooth. Now time for the lacquer, and I always use level 853 clear coat by Sickens. This one's mixed with a 31 stick, 160, 20. So yeah, let's get the clear coat mixed up, and we're gonna put 2 coats now over the front of the trailer. So just as I'm putting the final coat of clear coat on the front end, now we're coming up to the end of another video here. Bit of a shorter one this week. I know some of you have been asking for a base coat and lacquer video. So yeah, here she is. It's another one coming out of the booth looking absolutely stunning. So here she is outside. As this is one of the trailers that I painted just over a year ago, I thought I'd just show you down the sides quickly just to appreciate another beautiful finish. But yeah, as always, thank you all for watching. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next one.